Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Peter Fisner. How you doing, guys? Okay, so few updates. Okay, first foremost is the AliExpress £127. There is a live on this YouTube channel in live section. I've shown that there was a problem with that screen. I couldn't make it working. It turns out that only the backlight wire was damaged, and because of that damage the backlight couldn't turn on. When the backlight couldn't turn on, you couldn't have a power on self-test. Yes, so when there was no power on self-test, guess what, this didn't work. So then I plugged it into that big TV behind, and that TV was on the display. I mean on the through the HDMI didn't have a display as well. So it turns out that this has to have backlight or dummy load on the backlight in order to have post. Really? But well, it's built this way, so we would have to overcome it, maybe the setup in the BIOS or something. So I did finish that TV, I mean that PC, all-in-one PC, and that's it. So phew, okay, that one is completed. Now this is a TV from customer. This is a new purchase, like 2 weeks ago roughly, maybe up to a month. And this TV was going into the progress mode one time, then reset back, and then went one more time. Once finished 2 cycles of this progress mode of a horizontal line, I think green, it was green one, then at the end was a pen drive, like a USB drive, yes, symbol with the main board and with the back plate here, so that it's showing you like that. Yes, that's what I've read, that you need to update the firmware. Unfortunately, customer couldn't fix it on their own, and this TV is still under warranty, but customer can't find the receipt from the Argos. So I went to the Argos to help this customer, to not charge customer for the work, because I didn't know if that will help. So I said, like I'll pop in. I went, and I've been told that when you've got the bank account details and you can prove the transaction that you've made onto that bank account for that exact amount what they have in Argos on that the same day or close by date, then they will take it in, yes, or send it for the repair. Unfortunately, customer paid by cash. Yes, so like we love paying by cash. In this case, unfortunately, when you pay by cash, you've got only one thing which you should do: take a photo. Yes, whatever, you're a Apple guy or you're an Android guy, doesn't matter. Just take a photo, get the photo into the cloud, and that's you, no problem. Then you don't need to worry about any bank transactions, date, whatever. Yes, you just go finding the receipt in your cloud backup in the photos.google.com, for instance, or in the iCloud, and that's you. That's problem solved. But fortunately, I downloaded from Samsung's website firmware. I've placed it, I've unzipped it, it's unzipped into the folder, so I took out the content of that folder and placed in the root folder of this pen drive. I've inserted. It went through the same process again, but this time at the end I've left it, yes, and when I've left it, it took about less than 5 minutes. I can't tell you exactly because I don't remember. So yeah, I won't tell you, but just few minutes, and then suddenly the volume was max on, and so it scared me a bit. So yeah, so that's it. Now 2 things came, and we need to fix stuff, guys. So it's plenty of. Oh, that's the speaker for iPhone. Okay, so customer need to bring in the phone in order to help them. That's one job. And what else did came? Because something, look, state of the parcel. Yes, you can see the state, that it's not perfect. You can insert your finger underneath here. Oh, Sorry, I didn't know I will press the button, the space bar. So yeah, so I can put finger under here. So that's not nice. But let's fingers crossed that oh, here is the knife. So let's fingers crossed that no harm done, and this will be still a good one, whatever it came, because I don't know, I've ordered too many things. And I wanted to have, oh, that's the main board. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. That's a Sony main board for the customer, which I need to go and replace it with. The problem with customer main board is that it's frozen on the software. Oh, nice pad. Good thermal pad. Customer has it anyway, so customer won't boil a soup out of it. That's nice. That's really nice. I love to have those pads. Customer don't need this stick-on board anyway, so I'll keep it here. What I want to say is this board. Yes, this board was about, I think, 90 quid on eBay for Sony TV. Now, there is a chance still that the firmware is frozen, and there is a still chance that I will remove the chip, because I've checked my programmer supporting now the one which came from China has adapter and supporting 1.8 volts. So there is a chance that I will remove this chip here and I will be able to program it. Probably it's SOP8. If you don't know what it is, it's just all like this here, chip, and that's type of the packaging. And I will be able to download that software and insert a new firmware, and then there is a chance that I can fix it. But what if I'm wrong? Yes, you know, so I said to the customer, do you want me to take the board and, you know, try to fix it, or we will order that one from eBay? And customer was happy to order that from eBay, so I've ordered it. So I need to go to the customer and replace it. So that's another job. And guys, it's a total disgrace here. You can see it's a total disgrace. I've got this hi-fi which display doesn't display properly, and cassettes are not working and discs are not working. So those cassettes and discs, you know, if somebody don't need them, then that's okay. It has a good sound because that's Sony, and as we know, Sony has not a bad sound comparing to other brands, and has surround system with a remote, so you know it's worth fixing still. Can serve as a TV, like a home cinema system, because has surround system, or can serve as a MP3 player or radio, you know, so that's not a problem. I've got Bluetooth modules, so if somebody wants a Bluetooth module with it, I can of course give that, well, sell that. So yeah guys, that's it. Came some chips as well. I don't know what the chip is. Again, SOP8. SOP8. I don't know what it is, what it does and what it's for. Oh, that came from Germany. Okay, so that came for a laptop for one lady. The question only is if that will be only the fault, because if that will be only the fault, we've got to fix. So I need to find the time to do it. Guys, so we got less than 10 minutes update on their jobs. I will be posting it today, maybe not, because it's after 4 p.m. So I'll be posting it on the 9th of December 2022. So then you will see what jobs I'm doing and what jobs will be in the next episodes. But I've got about 2 weeks of videos. It's going up and down, depend how much time I have and so on. Not all the jobs I can record as well, like this is going to the customer, so I won't be able to record the video about it, yeah? But you know what I mean. I'm trying my best to do as many videos as I can, and for those who liking, I know it's not the greatest type of content, but if you would comment more what I could improve, then that would be really good. I've got one person who's commenting on a regular basis, which is double thank you to that person, and the rest I encourage to comment more, because the more you comment, the more I can do stuff. And guys, that's it. That's nearly 150 subscribers. That's blowing my mind. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all, and see you later. Take care. Bye bye.